Hello friends, I am in Vijayapura in a hotel called Kanishka International, which is on the station road in Vijayapura. So in this video I am going to give you a room tour of the room in which we stayed in when we are here. So let's get started while I give you the room tour. This is the door through which we entered. Once you enter, this is the view which you see. So let's start from here. Here is a dustbin and a nice patterned wallpaper is used, and here is the place where you can keep your luggage, and here is the beverages station. There is a kettle, 2 glasses, a cup and some tea, coffee, milk powder as such. Here is an extension cord provided, and this side is the side table. Nothing is there inside. There is a lamp, and this is one of the beds. This is a, I think, king size bed, and one more king size bed. Here is another center table, side table with a telephone, remote, and the restaurant menu and other cards here. TV channel list and reception, room service numbers and all. Inside is an ashtray. And here is the wardrobe. Oh, 3-door wardrobe. I can't open this without hitting the chair. You see, the chair is here, and there is a mirror as well. So I'm just going to peep inside and see what is. It's a normal wardrobe. And here you see a seating arrangement with 2 chairs and a center table on which 2 bottles of water and 2 glasses are kept. And here on the wardrobe, one of the doors is made of a full length mirror. And if you see, the other side is a TV. And here is the bathroom. Now let's enter the bathroom. So once you enter, there is this mirror, and you see a soap dispenser here. Here is the wash basin. Some hooks behind the door. Here is the shower, towels, and again a soap and shampoo, shower gel and shampoo dispenser. The commode with a bucket, and there is the shower curtain. Now if you see the ceiling, there is a single fan, ceiling fan, but this room is air conditioned, so no worries. You can see the AC vent there, and also, yeah, only there. And here is a window which opens to the, I think, the road outside, and another window here. Can't see much. That's all friends. So how do you like the video? Hope you liked watching this video. If you like this video, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel to get more such videos. Thank you for watching.